Yeah, super exciting, super exciting. This is the beginning of our 2-week holiday, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite a sunny morning.
It is.
We're on our way, heading out of Swindon now towards Gloucestershire, and we're heading up for an overnight stop in Derby, and then up to Scarborough for a week.
Indeed. Then after that, we'll pack up there and whiz across to the Lake District on the other side of the country for a week there.
And then we will make the return, have an overnight stop on the way home.
Indeed. So, I'm hoping, well, the weather forecast is superb now, thankfully. It hasn't been particularly July-ish weather for us. Never been to Scarborough, in fact, never been to Hull and that neck of the woods. Whitby, got to have some fish and chips, haven't we?
Yeah, Whitby, Filey,
Yeah.
obviously Scarborough itself.
And York.
Yeah, and we'll give you an honest assessment of all of those places, obviously based upon our extremely biased views.
Absolutely. Catch you later. And so to the route itself. Now obviously we go on the M5, getting on at Gloucester and going north. And after hitting the usual fairly M5 stationary traffic, we get on our way. And as you can see there, we have a journey time of just under 3 hours. However, the map, when you zoom in, will take you up the M6 toll road. So I'm going to show you how not to do that and spend the extortionate fees that they charge. Now what I've done is I've consulted the Caravan and Motorhome Club's approach to this particular site. Now on that it says what road I need to approach on. So if you look at this map, it says that I can get on the M42, which I'm on. Then I use the M6 toll road and getting off at the top of the screen there you can see T4, that's what they call their junctions, but that's where you get off. Having paid the £11 as I saw online for a car and a caravan. And what we do is take the A446, which is right next to it, which turns into the A38, which brings you up at the same roundabout. So keep to the left hand side here, look, you're on the M42 anyway. This takes you onto, oh look, it's a caravan coming the other way. I think other people are using this road. So this will save you quite a bit of dosh. And so reading the directions on the Caravan Club website is quite paramount. As you will see here, any other roads are not suitable for towing.
Arriving at the first, on the left.
Yeah. You alright?
Alright. So whilst Fiona goes and does a check-in, I can see just to the right of me there are some pictures which are near the exit for the way out. What if we can get to one of them? Ooh, and look at that, not too busy either. And so being selfish and thinking about the satellite dish. No, it's all down south.
Is it on
North is that way, so south is that way. So ideally we want number 7.
there? Okay,
Opposite.
fine. Number 7, that's fine. That's right and right. Can you get around that?
Stupid bollard.
Yeah, that stupid duck bollard. Do you want me to move the bollard? I'll see if I can move the bollard if you want.
Yeah, don't stand on it. That's impossible when it's to get round that corner.
Yeah, hold on. Let me go in front.
Yeah, make sure you put it back, thief.
Okay.
Now then, I just thought we'd mention this. This bollard did pay a little bit of fun, didn't it, on the way through?
Well, I'm sure we weren't meant to, but the truth is, with a big unit, if you're coming down here as we did and you're trying to turn, get round there, that's tight.
Yeah. So I'll just zoom this in. Will it go any further? No, we're at the max. So coming up this road behind me, and then he said turn right, and that pitch is just over there. In fact, there's our caravan, you can see it through there. So you had to get around this corner. I thought, oh, that's going to be tight with that bollard. So I had to go right up to the hedge, and then you leapt out, and I think other people have taken this out, haven't they?
Well, the thing is, obviously, it's a bit of a homemade thing to do it, but the truth is, you've got a big unit, it's too tight, so you need to take it out, and there are a few of them. It's obviously to keep control, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's to keep control of people not going on the grass, but... You know,
same with this one as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
I did manage to get round it because there was nobody in there.
Yeah, we were fine with that one. But on that corner, we had to move it out of the way, and I suspect what...
Yeah, makes it compact to be true. And now that we're here, that should give me a relatively easy out.
This is a lovely little site. It might have been only for one night for us, but the facilities were lovely. It was friendly, it was colourful, and there's even a dog wash for people who brought their doggies, obviously. And we had a good little wander around this site, not only to look at the pitches, but also to have a look around the corners and at the dog walk. And there's this lovely viewing platform as well, so that you can look over the fields and just have a really lovely explore.
I've been asked before, what do you do when you go out for your walk to check the route out? So let me just show you. So that's where we are. And obviously there's a bit of grass there, so I need to avoid that and come straight out here and then straight down there. Now luckily that is the way out for us. So I'll just wander down. Now I'll take up the position where I would be sat driving. And I come down to here, and I'm going to keep to the edge of this little black mark on the road here, which will then take you out. Now I don't need a key for this barrier, so it will just go up, but it will be the same edge on there when I come out. So the barrier's up. Obviously I need to wait for that to go all the way up to clear the roof of the car and the roof of the caravan. And then that's me in position there. So you can see that actually somebody's actually been around here before. You can see the back end. I'll just wait for that to come back into focus. There we go. And then through. Now if I come halfway, just have a look back, you can see that that's where it's going to start swinging out now. So it'll start swinging round. And then I can go out there, straighten up, and then take position back up on the left hand side. There's the T-junction, and then we all got to turn right actually out of here. There's no going left because it's not suitable for heavy load, so we have to go that way. I'm just going to go over and have a look. Yeah, and it's pretty straightforward when you get round there, straight down there, so yeah, that'll be alright. Happy with that. What does that say? It's full. I think it is. You can see the pictures opposite us. They're all empty, weren't they? Now see, they've taken on this, you've got to be there after 1 o'clock. If you turn up before, bugger off. Nice way of putting it, I suppose. But there we go, pretty straightforward. Well, there we have it. That's that one stop overnight done.
So we've stayed overnight here in sort of Derbyshire just as a stopover to break the journey up. We've got another 100 or so miles to go. Yeah, nice little site.
That's alright. Good
Yeah,
little stopover, isn't it?
Yeah, it's absolutely fine. Staff are lovely here. But obviously we haven't looked into what you can visit around here, but we've only been here for a night.
No, that's fine.
Yeah, but yeah, perfectly fine. Looks like quite a few people stay here for one night and then move on somewhere else, particularly in this area.
Yeah.
Of the site. But there are other areas of the site which are a little bit more secluded, where people have got their mornings up and things.
Yeah. But anyway, we're all packed up, just got the bins to do, and then hook up, we're off. See you later. Well, overnight we did get a couple of neighbours, but it doesn't bother us, I suppose, because we're off. Oh, where did that come from? As you can see, we can embark on our next leg. It's probably going to be more than the 2.5 hours they're showing there, probably nearer 3 by the time we've stopped somewhere, but we're en route.
Yeah.
Oh look, 50. As soon as you get on it.
Right, okay, looks like we're going straight into a traffic jam then.
Well, good morning. It is good morning, it's 10:30 and it is gloriously sunny out there. In fact, it's 21 degrees in the car already. It's only 10:30 in the morning. But we have left our site, our little stopover on the way up. We probably left a little bit earlier than we would have hoped for the 1 o'clock check-in, which you can get. But we needn't to worry, don't we? Because we have to do how many miles on the M1?
13.
13. Now, how many of it when motorway roadworks reducing traffic speed down to 50 for how many miles?
Ah, right, okay. Well, the road works for the whole time we were on now.
There we go. So, needn't worry about it. We're 5 minutes away from our first stop, which is the service station, and then we'll pull in, have a cup of tea,
Yep.
a nice cup of coffee,
Yep.
before we continue on for the rest of the route, and we'll catch you later. See, I know what you're thinking. I thought you said service station and a nice cup of coffee. And guess who got off before the service station? So that meant a lay-by, no coffee, and have a rest, and whatever drink is in the fridge, and including any toilet breaks.
We need a wee.
That was handy then. But not long after this, we're on the site approach anyway. Oops, cyclists, plenty of room now.
In 1.5 miles, turn right onto Mill Lane.
I think it's there. It's on Mill Lane, the place, isn't it?
Mill Lane, then take the first left.
It's not. It could be after the church, shouldn't it?
Yeah, I
Yeah, but
think
that
so.
car's coming out.
Yeah, Mill Lane.
And that's it, we're here. 12:50, so we're 10 minutes early, but that's alright, I don't mind waiting if we're not allowed in. As this gives us a bit of time to take 1 or 2 photos, you know what it's like. And before you know it, it's time. Now this is a big old site and the check-in process does take slightly longer than normal. In fact, it's even got 2 little queues, look. But luckily we're at the front of them. Now that's us there, but look at the queue of traffic behind us, and that is a bus stop right outside. Now there is a little bit of a delay with that caravan just in front of me because he had to go back in and get them to press the button to let the barrier up, and hopefully when he gets in the barrier does stay up for me.
You get through? We're going up.
Don't. It's not that big anyway, well, is it?
No, it's 2 layers. You're just on the level. We're just on the lower layer here. Toilet
Okay.
block there.
Now the first thing I do when I'm booking a site is choose the type of pitch. Luckily I knew which one I picked, but the member of staff that Fiona saw obviously had a different opinion. Let's have a listen.
We're looking for white pegs. What's the number there?
Surface pictures are red.
No, they're white, you said.
No, surface pictures not white.
Oh, 27. So we can have any of these.
Yeah, these are not surface pictures, these are ordinary.
Well, he told us. Service to red. Where are the reds? Okay, because we come out there. Right, yes, there's some left.
That's what I want.
So,
That's down to the end on your left, isn't
yeah.
it? Now the second thing I do is have a read of the reviews. Now the reviews of this particular site say that this part, being the lower section, the older section, is not as good as the upper section. So we're off there. And this road is what ends up in the upper section.
North is that way.
Oh, so right, south is behind us,
Behind
then, so
us.
that's good.
Yeah.
There's a toilet bottom there, look.
Yeah.
I think this lot would have read them reviews as well, because it is somewhat busy around here. Yeah,
That one.
serviced.
That's service. That's the only one.
Was that one?
Oh, hang on. No, that's a tent. There's no service there, I don't think.
Okay.
Hang on. Yeah, it's a black one, so it's this one.
Yes, you heard right. A black one, which is a premium service pitch. I think I call them super service, but more on that to follow. And as our neighbour returns from wherever he's been for the day, all he does is leave us to say, well, please like
Subscribe.
and hit that little bell. And we'll see you on the next one.